Connecting your IC Markets account to TradingView allows you to access real-time data and trade directly from the TradingView platform. Here's how you can link IC Markets to TradingView. Create an IC Markets account. If you don't already have an IC Markets account, you will need to create one. Visit the IC Markets website and sign up for an account. Complete the necessary verification steps to get started. Open a TradingView account. Go to the TradingView website and sign up for a free or paid account, depending on your preferences and required features. Log into TradingView. Open the TradingView app or website and log in using your credentials. Connect IC Markets to TradingView. On TradingView, click on the Chart tab to open the charting platform. In the top toolbar, select the trading panel. Scroll through the available brokers and click on IC Markets. Click Login and enter your IC Markets trading credentials. Once connected, you'll be able to execute trades directly from TradingView. Start trading. After linking your accounts, you can place trades, monitor charts, and manage positions seamlessly within the TradingView platform.